mind the vault dweller. He's only here to show off a partnership between VAULT-TEC and Nuka Cole. Our first item for those intrepid journeymen in the wasteland. A Nuka Cola journal courtesy of a partnership between VAULT-TEC and good old Nuka Cola. As you can see, hardback, quite impressive, and a used kunai or throwing knife currently taken off of a bandit. This will prove useful in your day-to-day activities in the wasteland. And why the heck not? You'll need to record everything from people you meet, your personal thoughts, or how to take down that death claw that might just be considering you to be its lunch. Seems about right. Record your thoughts with this wonderful journal. It comes with a pen, engineered by both VAULT-TEC and Nuka Cola, and quite impressive. Remember, zap that thirst. And who can't have a little fun? And remember, Vault Girl, the Nuka Cola girls, and VAULT-TEC will be waiting. But you're wondering, shouldn't we also have fun in the wasteland? Yes, we should. Which is why we also have this for you. The Nuka Cola Thirst Zapper, a special collectible created by Nuka Cola Girl herself. Quite an impressive one, and used by her quite regularly, I might add. Now, granted, this one comes directly from good old Nuka World itself. Remember, Happy and Bobby will be waiting for you. So come on down. Currently go to the Commonwealth to have a good time there. It would appear that the super mutants have designed a packaging. How very uncouth. And better. Packaging. As you can see, quite impressive. And it comes with its own map. Its own map. So you'll be able to enjoy it anytime you like. Or stand. Plus, it is detachable and, well, it should fire. Oh well, it's still quite an impressive point. But you're saying now, what could we possibly need next? Well, between a giant bottle of Nuka Cola Quantum. Oh, that's right. There's one more thing. What wasteland survivor is not capable without some Nuka Cola bottle? The currency of the wasteland, along with quite a few little extras. This pack contains not only the Nuka Cola, but bottle caps, which by the way are genuine, not that counterfeit, but also some materials that someone obviously made to try to make a game out of this much needed supply. And in case you're wondering, there are quite a few caps. And they're the genuine article. Yes, that's right. Quite the genuine article. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's our presentation. Remember, look after what makes you special and enjoy this unboxing. To you by VAULT-TEC and Nuka Cola. Please like and subscribe.